My name's Belinda and I am the owner of Mundo Maya, and my story starts around 17 years ago when I was backpacking through South America and Central America with a friend of mine. We ended up staying in Guatemala for quite a long time because my friend had friends and family there, and I was staying on Lake Atitlan, which is in the highlands of Guatemala in the south. And around the lake there are many villages with indigenous artisans making beautiful handcrafted things in their homes, and I absolutely fell in love with the way people were making their craft with generations of experience of making these beautiful things. And I saw an opportunity to not only help some local artisans but also to bring a bit of Latin American culture and beauty into Australia and into Melbourne, and I thought we really needed that at the time. So I decided to become, I suppose, the middleman and bring some beautiful things into Australia. I think my interest in what I do started by being in markets, roaming around markets. I love markets and I love colour, and Guatemala is known for lots and lots of colour. Jumped out at me, all this amazing colour and the beautiful handwork that went into every single piece that I saw, and the beautiful families behind every single piece that I saw. And this drew me in, and I was 30 years old. You know, I'd had a different life, a normal Melbourne professional working life before that, and I travelled to these continents. In 1 year, everything changed. So I discovered this business I really wanted to start, and I discovered this culture I really wanted to celebrate, and I discovered this language that I just loved to speak. And I also discovered the beautiful thing that is salsa dancing, which is part of some of the cultures of some of those countries. So I started dancing as well, and I still dance in Melbourne, which I love to do. So I feel like I didn't know anything, and I opened this door to this whole world that just fed my soul in so many ways. So I found a way to start selling these things in Melbourne basically, and it has given me that impetus to go back every year to Guatemala. And eventually to South America as well, because I also love South American handcraft. So for many years it was just Guatemala, and I have been back every single year, except for the 2 years when I had my 2 children. So now the family's been back, and now it's become a bit of a family business. I could have continued in my profession, and financially that's a wise decision, but I truly believe that life's not just about making money. Life's about feeding your soul and being happy. And you know, we happen to live in a country where we're very lucky that we can try new things. My passion for this business has outweighed any financial earnings I could have had in a different profession or in my old profession. And it's brought me so much joy that it doesn't actually matter. I like that it's altruistic, because it's not just about me and me making money. I make a living out of it. And it's as simple as that, and that's lovely because the living I get to make also helps other people. So it's really win-win. There's no losers here. I hope that it's brought a lot of other people joy even in Australia, because there are a lot of people now with beautiful handcrafts in their homes, on their ears, around their necks, that have been made by a family that has been able to benefit from their buying it from me. Hi, I'm Belinda from Mundo Maya. I would like to invite you to Sabores Latinos workshop, where I'm going to take you through some of the processes in making gorgeous handcrafts, including weaving techniques, beading techniques, and embroidery as well. So in this workshop we're going to see how women in Guatemala are creating handcrafts in their home, and how the families are contributing to these processes as well. I'll see you there, don't miss it.